The fat cap-off rib, FCO rib or export rib, originates from the upper back region of the front quarter and is considered to be one of the middle meat cuts. The rib is comprised of two primary muscles, the larger longissimus dorsi or eye and the spinalis dorsi or cap. This specification normally has a weight range of 6 to 7.5 kilograms or 13 to 16.5 pounds. The rib is a desirable muscle and is available in both bone-in and boneless forms. The rib can be presented in the form of prime rib or rib steaks and offers a juicy and robust flavor, making it a premium cut for beef lovers that is suited for both roasting and grilling applications. We will demonstrate methods for producing boneless options. In order to prepare the rib, first remove the finger bones by slicing as close to the bones as possible. You can utilize the finger bones as a whole rack or split between the bones. The finger bones are best prepared through braising methods. Cutting boneless rib grilling steaks, traditionally speaking, provides very little opportunity to offer variety. Variety could only have been achieved through varying thickness. This process simply offers a variety in both size and price point in an attempt to meet the needs of the consumer. In order to offer a specific weight range, we are forced to work strictly with fluctuating thicknesses. However, the thinner the steak, the less flexibility one has with managing cooking doneness and enhanced eating experience. Cattle weights in North America on average have increased by approximately 16% over the past 20 years. In order to create products that meet consumer needs as well as offer retail merchandising options that address portion sizes and cooking methods, first, remove any loose finger meat. Next, the tail at the eye, following the natural seam. And finally, the spinalis muscle. To create thicker steaks while managing both portion size and price point, it is recommended to slice a few grilling steaks from the blade end first. We are left with a uniform center muscle that we will split into two separate pieces that are then pushed through the jet net system. Begin by slicing the medallions into desired thickness, keeping in mind variety and price points. Depending on need, you may elect to leave a portion for a quick roast, keeping in mind that the quick roast performs optimally at 500 grams, approximately 1 pound. After all, the quick roast is intended to be cooked within 1 hour. Once again, variety is key, and processing larger portions will provide you options to deliver on consumer needs. The larger the portion, the larger the medallion, as well as providing a premium oven and/or rotisserie style roast. The spinalis or cap muscle is considered the most flavorful part of the rib. This muscle has a number of options, which may include slicing for sauté strips, rolled, or provides you an option to stuff and push through the jet net system.